Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently put up a wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26 and now if you want to change it and also you want to delete it, so you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 26 on your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to general and you have to click on software update. And after checking the software update, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, if you want to change the wallpaper, for example, if you have recently set the wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26 and you want to change it, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. Now if you want to change the wallpaper, then you have to simply click on that wallpaper option here, and here you can simply find the option of add new wallpaper, and you can simply select any of the options. And if you have recently set the wallpaper, and if you want to delete any wallpaper, and if you want to add a new wallpaper, then there will be option available. So here you can simply click on that wallpaper, and after that you can simply go to the settings and wallpapers. And if you want to delete that wallpaper, you have simply select that wallpaper, and if you want to delete that, then there will be options available. So here you can simply select that wallpaper, and here you can simply select on customize wallpapers. As you click on customize wallpaper, then there will be option available. So here you can simply select on customize, and after that that option will be available to delete. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.